Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making delicious meatballs in a rich tomato sauce. It's a very classic dish that is perfect for my family and my kids love it. What you need is you need 1 kg of ground beef mince, 2 eggs, a quarter of a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs, 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper each, 1 teaspoon of all pepper seasoning, and 2 grated onions. For the sauce, you need 6 cloves of garlic, 2 large tomatoes, tomato puree, fresh basil or dried basil, water, and some fresh coriander. So let's start by mixing our meatballs ingredients in a large bowl. Combine the ground beef mince, add some eggs and breadcrumbs, garlic paste, onion powder, Italian herbs, salt and pepper, and all pepper seasoning. So just combine all the ingredients. You can add as many ingredients as you like, but this is the ones that I usually use. The onion and garlic you usually gives the meatballs a very good taste. Now it's time to mix all the ingredients. You can use a spoon or you can use your hands. It's all up to you. But combine the ingredients very well so that they're easy to form the meatballs. And now it's time to shape our meatballs using a tablespoon. Scoop some mixture and roll it into a ball. You can make it as the size of a golf ball. Repeat this process until you have formed all the meatballs. Once this is done, refrigerate for them for about 2 hours. This helps them hold their shape while cooking. So this is how the meatballs look. You can make bigger sizes or smaller sizes, up to you. Once they're all shaped, refrigerate for 2 hours, if not, for overnight, so that the meatballs can hold their shape when cooking. The fridge, I'm going to put them in the fridge until they're ready to be cooked, about 1 hour in the fridge. Now it's time to refrigerate. Add oil. After 2 hours, let's cook the meatballs in the pan. Just oil in a large pan. I'm going to shallow fry the meatballs. Shallow fry on medium heat. Add the meatballs in batches. Fry them until they are golden brown. They're browned on all sides and cook through. So this is about 8 to 10 minutes of cooking. So make sure not to overcrowd the pan. So once they are done, set them aside on a plate. Set them aside on a plate. Now let's make the sauce. So in the same pan, add garlic. First add garlic in the same pan. Add garlic. Saute the minced garlic for about a minute until fragrant. Add chopped tomatoes. These are 2 tomatoes, just roughly chopped. I'm adding tomato puree. And cook until the tomatoes are starting to break down. Add some water to reach your desired sauce consistency. I like my sauce a little bit thick, so I'll just add a little bit of sauce. Add basil. Add some dried basil. Salt and pepper just for taste. Let the sauce simmer until it thickens. And then bring back the meatballs. Let the meatballs and the sauce simmer together for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is where all the flavors will come together. Add coriander for garnish and serve with pasta or rice. Look how delicious these meatballs look. They're easy to make. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Thank you for watching.